Alright, today on American Made EDC we have the Surefire Stiletto Pro. This is the first flashlight we've had on the channel. There's not a lot that are made in America, and the ones that are pretty expensive. I've used this for a couple years now, had it on many fire scenes, a lot of investigations. You have 3 modes. High mode is 1000 lumens, medium mode is 300 lumens, and low mode is 25 lumens. It's programmable. There's the charging port. You got a momentary tail cap switch. So there's high. Look at that sweet van. You see how it is really bright. Really has a good throw. Good wide pattern. Here's the momentary tail cap. It's a great flashlight. It fits really good in the pocket because obviously the shape, I mean, it's a great shape for a flashlight for everyday carry. Surefire Stiletto Pro. Get one.